Yeah, we will continue with the Polytechnic question papers, and then we'll finish off soon. Good morning, students. Let us continue with that. The area of the triangle BOA is dash. The area of the triangle BOA. This is very simple. So how will you do that area of triangle BOA? From here to here, what is the distance? 2. That means x-intercept. X-intercept is 2. From here to here, what is the distance? 3. So area of a triangle is nothing but half into base into height. 2 to cancel 3. So area is 3 square units. Very simple. Next. The origin is the center of a triangle whose vertices what is given is if the origin is the center of a triangle whose vertices are what do you mean by centroid? Point of intersection of all the medians in a triangle is called centroid. Centroid means where all the medians meet at a point, that is called centroid. Median means a line segment run from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this is the line segment run from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this is one median. So in a triangle, 3 medians will be there. So he is saying that if the origin is the centroid, means G centroid. If the origin is the centroid, that means coordinates of G are 0, 0. And what is given? If origin is the center of triangle whose vertices are 3, 2, they are given the vertices 3, 2. Next minus 6, y. Next 3, minus 2. What you have to do, children, in this? It's very simple. Apply the distance centroid formula. Gxy is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. But gxy is nothing but 0, 0 given. So what is x1? 3 plus x2 is minus 6, x3 is 3 by 3. Next y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, 2 plus y plus minus 2. 3 plus 3 is 3, 6 minus 6 is 0. Next, what you will get here is equal to 0. 3 plus 6 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0 by 3 is 0. Next, y by 3. So next here what you say is first equate first to first. 0 is equal to y by 3. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Very simple this one. So coordinates of now y, what is the value of y? Y is nothing but 0. Next is asking what is the value of y. So therefore y is nothing but 0. Next, the nearest point to the origin is the nearest point to the origin is, here origin is 0 0, and they are given some point 2 comma minus 3, 5 comma 0, 0 comma minus 5, and 1 comma 3. The nearest point to the origin is, so this is the origin, and this is option 1 2 3 4. Find the distance between these two. Whichever distance is less, that will be the nearest point. So from this, just square it, 0 0 comma 2 comma minus 3. Use distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is nothing but 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, root 13. In the same way, do all the what I mean to say is, find out all the distance between whichever is less, that you do by yourself. The answer is 2 comma minus 3, I think, in this. So square root of 25 is here 0 0. The distance between 0 0 5 0. What you will get? 5 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Y x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is nothing but 5 square is 25 plus 0. It is 5. This length is 5. Now this length is also 5. Now this length is 1 square plus 3 square. I am writing directly root 10. This is root 13. So root 13, I think it is the nearest value. Please do by yourself. Next, the answer is 2 comma minus 3. Next, 10th one. Again, so find out like this, whichever the nearest root 13, you calculate what is the value of root 13, that will be the nearest one. So these are all, they will give more distance, 5 unit, 5 is more. So root 13 is less. So the option is 2 comma minus 3. Next, if x comma y 2 comma 0 3 2 comma 0 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram, then xy, again vertices of the parallelogram. This already we have discussed so many times. xy 2 0, xy 2 0 3 2 1 2. Now what is that, to find this, what is the formula we have to apply? Are the vertices of parallelogram, then x comma y. Already we have discussed x1 plus x2 minus x3, y1 plus y2 minus y3. To find this one, we don't know this one, no? So go along the order. Or the vertices of parallelogram, then x comma y. This already we have discussed in the beginning class, starting. You can use this formula, or what you can say, go from like this, x1 x2 x3 to get this one, go in order wise. So 2 plus 3 minus 1 comma y1 plus y2 y1 plus y2 minus y3. Next, this will be nothing but 0 plus, this is 2 minus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 1 is 4 comma 0. Zero comma 0 given. There is some mistake here. 2 xy 2 0 3 2 and 1 2. Then you can use this formula, or else you can do by this method also. slopes are equal. If the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Now find out the slope of these two and slope of these two. Okay, don't do this because the option is not given. Let us do it another. What are the options given is 0, 0, 4, 8, 1, 0, 5, 0. We will see which one will get. The options are 0, 0, 4, 8, 1, 0, 5, 0. We will see which option is correct because earlier formula which we are applying is not fitting here. So find out the slope of this one. x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is y2? 0 minus y by x2 minus 2 minus x. This you leave it as it is. Slope of these two you calculate. 1, 2, 3, 2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 1. 2 minus 2 is 0 by something is 0. Next, equate these two. Why we have to equate these two? Because slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. Here lines are parallel, slopes will be equal in this. So since lines are parallel, slopes are equal. That means slope of this is equal to slope of this. 0 minus y by 2 minus x is equal to 0. So 0 minus y is equal to 2 minus x. Next, 2 minus x into 0 is 0 here. So minus y is equal to 0, that means y is equal to 0. So already we got y is equal to 0. Next, calculate the slope of these two and equate both. What will you get? X comma y 1 comma 2. Now these two. Next, 2 minus y1 by 1 minus x. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next, this is AD slope. Next, BC slope. 2 comma 0, 3 comma 2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, what you will say? 2 minus y by 1 minus x is equal to 2. Earlier we got the y value as 0, no? Replace. So here 1 minus x is equal to 1. I think minus x is equal to 0, x value is 0. So x is 0, y is 0. That means this option. What I am doing in this is I am calculating slope of this, slope of this. Since the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Now the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. I got the answer as 0, 0. So the correct option is 0, 0. The formula which we are applying is, I think it should be consecutively. Consecutive means in order wise. Here B, C, D is there, but starting point is not there. No? So that might be the error in the previous problem, in the previous formula. So if consecutively given A, B, C and find the fourth vertex means you can use that formula, but that formula is not applicable in this problem. So you can go for this. The total distance from x-axis to A 34 and y-axis to B 57. Very, very important. The total distance from x-axis to A. Total distance from x-axis to A 34. First look at 34. Three here, 4 here. 3, 4. Next, distance from x-axis to the point. from x-axis, what is the distance? Point. What is the distance, children? It is 4 units. Next, total distance from x-axis to A34 and y-axis to B57. Here 5, 6 and 7 might be somewhere. So from y-axis is saying 5 comma 7. The total distance from x-axis to A34 and y-axis to B57. Y-axis from here to here, what is the distance? 5. So from here to here 4 units, from here to here 5 units. So it is asking total distance from x-axis to A34 and y-axis to B57. Total distance 4 plus 5. This is from here to here, and from here to here it is 5 units. Total distance is 9. So they are given 8, 10, 11, 9. Which is the correct answer? 9. Why? Because from x-axis to this is 4 units. From y-axis to this point is 5 units. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Next, distance between the points. This already we have discussed. 12th one I will do once again. Distance between the points, log 100 to the base 10 tan 45. Comma cosecant 30 and log 343 to the base 7. Now what you have to do is log 100 can be written as 10 square to the base 10 tan 45. You need to know the values. Tan 45 is 1. Next, log cosecant 30. What is the inverse of cosecant? It is sine. Cosecant 30 is asking. So it is cosecant inverse is sine. Sine 30. 1 by sine 30. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. That is nothing but 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Yeah. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. You need to refer the table. Sine 30, sine 0, sine 45, sine 60, like that. So here it is 2 and log 7 cube. 7 cube is nothing but 343. 49 into 7 is 343. This is nothing but 2 log 10 to the base 10, comma 1. This is 2. This is 3 log 7 to the base 7. Power form. M log x can be written as log x power m. So 2 log 10 to the logarithm of any number to the same base is 1. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3. Now distance between these two. Are you getting here? Cosecant inverse is sine. So 1 by sine 30 is nothing but cosecant 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So it is 2. So therefore I applied logarithm formulas I applied. Now calculate the distance. Distance is now y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is root 2. Logarithm of 10 is tan 45 is 1, cosecant 30 is sine 3. But the option is given as something different. Root 5 given. How will you get root 5? Tan 45 is 1, sine 30 is 2, 3, 2 comma 3. I think I will will check this once again. The answer is given as root 5, but we are getting it as root 2. Let me check once again. The point minus 5 comma 8 lies in minus 5 comma minus 8 lies in quadrant. Both are negative, so it lies in third quadrant. Next. The point at which the line 2x plus 5, this I will check it once again and I will let you know where it went wrong. I think everything is correct. 3 log 7 cube 7 3 2 comma 3 y2 minus y1 and 3 minus 2. I will check it once again. Next. The point at which the line 2x plus y is equal to 8 intersects the x-axis. On x-axis, he is saying that 2x plus y, this is the line which intersects on x-axis. X-axis is here. So 2x plus y is equal to 8. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. 2x plus 0 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. That means here 4 comma 0. So the answer is 8 comma 0 they are given, 0 comma 8, 0 comma 4, 4 comma 0. So the correct option is x is 4, y is 0. So we will continue in the next class. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Bye.